Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for June and here's the Toyl box. So what it looks like, it's got my address on the front there. So if you're new to Toyl, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their June box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Toyl stands for Time of Your Life, and it's a monthly beauty and wellness subscription box for women over the age of 35. It contains skincare, hair care, makeup and body care, and every month the box has a minimum value of £100. The cost of the box is £35, and that's free shipping within the UK, and they only ship within the UK. The aims of the subscription is to create a box for midlife women who not only want quality products that actually work for them, but products that have been chosen specifically by people in the know and that show you how to use them properly. Now, the owner of Toyl, it's Karen. She's an award-winning beauty blogger, and she's also a Amazon bestseller book writer as well of her book Time of Your Life. She creates podcasts, regular interviews on the YouTube channel. Her website is full of information and also has a great community feel to it as well. But if you'd like advice or support, help, talk to other people that are experiencing problems such as perimenopause, menopause, relationships, sex, health, anything that relates to women of mid-age and older, you will find all the information there. Towards the end of the month on their social media sites, they release spoilers for the following month, so you get to see exactly what's going to be in July's box at the end of June. So if you are a regular subscriber and you feel, do you know what, July's box isn't for me, you are able to pause your subscription, which I thought was really, really lovely. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've been receiving their boxes now since just before Christmas, I believe, so I'm really, really grateful for unboxing them. And yeah, they've given me a discount code which you're welcome to use if you want to, which will entitle you to have £5 off your first box. So I'll pop that down in my description, as well as links to this subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. If I've missed anything out, please let me know. But let's get on to unboxing this, see what's inside. Now, I have had a sneak peek obviously because I've seen it online. Beautifully packaged, and yeah, the awards 2020 stuck here. So inside we get a little booklet here, and it details everything about the products inside the box, and it gives you the value as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end unless they actually say how much this box is worth. I'll have a read of that in a minute. Okay, looks like we've got a sample, a try me sample, and a little card to go with that, and everything else is all packaged up. Ooh, what is this? La Rousse. Okay, I will properly show you. It's the first time I've opened it. I just want to see what's inside. Oh, I'll tell you what, it's all packaged up. I'll take everything out and then I'll go through it one by one. There's lots of products here, including popcorn. Welcome to the Toyl Awards. I am thrilled to introduce you to new discoveries and old favourites with our 2021 award winners. These products have been chosen by me to represent the very best in beauty for women over 40, and I hope you love it. 12 products, an amazing world of beauty to discover. 12 products. The value of this box comes in at a whopping £170. So, starting where I've just had a little look through, and a lot of these products I have tried, so I'm able to tell you a little bit about them, including this one, Molten Brown. I love these bath and shower gels. These are 100 mils, and you can buy them at this size for around £10, I believe, and this is Fiery Pink Pepper. Yes, nice. I remember when I first smelt this, I was thinking, I'm not going to really like this, but it's just so nice. Yeah, it is lovely. Yeah, it's got it here, £10. This iconic British beauty staple is an absolute winner. Thick, luscious gels that can be used in the bath or shower with amazing fragrances that turn those moments into spa treats. Yeah, love that. Another product I really, really like, Emma Hardy. This is Protect and Prime. Is it Protect? Yeah, Protect and Prime SPF 30. It's 15 mils here. Provides UVA and UVB SPF 30 protection, a lightweight, hydrating and protecting daily moisturizer. Soothes and primes the skin for soft focus, luminous finish. Handy, handy product. If you want to downsize your skincare routine for any reason, if you're going to go away for the night or something, or you just can't be asked to do your full face face of skincare, then yeah, this is fab. SPF, moisturiser and primer in one. If you're wearing this out in the summer months, then I would add additional SPF just for added protection. But pottering around the house, you know, popping out to the shop or whatever, yeah, it's fab. It's fab. It's a really lovely product. Emma Hardy's a nice brand. It says best retail skincare for women over 40 winner, this brand, and this will cost you £15. Rich, luxuriant and multitasking, the products are built for us. Protect and Prime just simmers down those fine lines, making this an incredible base for makeup. So here's that. Next, we've got James Read Gradual Tan Click and Glow Tan Drops. On the Glow Tanning, custom tanning, add to daily skincare, and we've got 15 mils here. Now I have tried these before, but not in a big long thing. This is looking a little bit off for some reason. Oops! What have I just done? What have I just done? There, no, it just came off there. Oh no, me pressing around here and I've already released some of the tan. Oh, I like that. It's like an injection. Just squirt it like this. Squirt a bit into your like moisturiser. Okay. This is winner of the best tanning range for over 40, and the recommended retail price for this is £25. Midlife women are not going to sit with our faces in the sun, are we? So this fantastic product can be added to our daily moisturiser, SPF or foundation to give skin a gradual colour. Not only that, it is packed with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, perfect to plump and feed our skin. So no, I like that though. I like the fact that it's like a push button one. So winner for the best retail face sun care for women over 40 is Ultra Sun. And we've got SPF 30 there. Another fab brand. I've tried this before. I do really like it as well. So it's moisturising and anti-aging sun protection for the face, and we've got a little mini one here, but it's just, yeah, 25 mils. So this is worth £11. Abby Cleve, who created this, has understood that sunscreen for the face is different for that used on the body. Abby's packed this with ingredients to keep UVA, UVB off our skin and protect from blue light, but she's also pushed in oodles of moisture so that fine lines are smoothed away while wearing. So La Rousse, I've got some makeup brushes here. Look how lovely the packaging is. Can you see? It's so nice. I don't want to open it. I've tried some of these brushes from a different subscription box and they are really nice. Really, really lovely brushes. I've got mini face brushes, so oh, I love that one. Oh, I love that one. Do they say flat blending? And we have got a flat shade in there. Yeah. Look, I love that one. That one's so nice. Yeah, I really like that. So one is £20.50 and the other is £21.50. Not available in the UK. These brushes are some of the very best on the market. Vegan, hypoallergenic and cruelty free. Use the flat shading brush to swirl a neutral powder along the upper lash line. Use the flat blending brush for under eye concealer to blend without pulling the skin around the delicate eye. Yeah, I love them. Next we've got a product by Ariza Beauty, and this is their Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips and nails. We've got 25 mils here. Yeah, I've tried this product a few times and it is nice. I've actually got two of them. I received one last week or the week before in a different box. Kids really like it for lip balms. My eldest son suffers badly from chapped lips and they bleed. They bleed really badly, so he's been using that and he really likes that. But the recommended retail price for this is £11.95. Not only is the balm top quality, packed with vitamin E and rice bran oil, but this packaging is made from more plastic reclaimed from the ocean than any other tube. This is the most innovative packaging I've seen in a long time. We got something for the nails. And this is OPI Natural Nail Base Coat, and there's 15 mils here. You might not be able to see anything as it's clear. The recommended retail price for this base coat is £13.90. This product is essential for mani-pedis, creating a protective layer on nails. This high-performance base coat prevents stains from darker shades and grips nail polish for a long-lasting chip-resistant manicure. Next we've got some eye patches by Sio Beauty, and it's Eye Smile. Eye and Smile Lift Reusable. Oh, reusable wrinkle smoothing patches includes one set of 2 reusable medical grade silicone eye and smile lift patches. Are these what I've been seeing online where people go to bed wearing them, or am I thinking of something else? I don't know. But look, you can see there. So little pads. It doesn't say how long you keep them on for. Yeah, wear while sleeping. Yeah, this is what I've seen. Oh, I've never tried this before. With proper care, the patches will last up to 10 uses. That is great. I like the idea of that, especially as I've seen it all over social media. So the recommended retail price for these patches is £20. These had to be flown in from the USA for you, but once I'd seen them reviewed in the Daily Mail last April, I knew that you would love them. Sio, or Sio, I think it's Sio, recognises that a quick fix for lines and wrinkles is something that we all want, and these work. Reusable, these patches are brilliant for anyone worried about fine lines around your eye and lip. I love these. They're quick, easy, and make me look great. Let's get some patches. Next, we've got a product by Gradual, and woo, what is this? Micellar Milk Cleanser. We've got 50 mils here. Now, we received a facial spray from this brand in Toyl beauty box a couple of months ago. I've got it by the side of my bed there. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I am suffering from itchy skin. It's been worse in the last, say, 2 weeks. I've just noticed it. It's not all over my body. It just seems to be all over my chest, my arms and my back. And I'm just constantly itching, scratching all over. But that spray is wonderful. It is so, so good. It sort of cools me down. It stops the itching. And yeah, I do really like it. So the recommended retail price for this cleanser is £6. Gradual is a French heritage skincare brand that just keeps on delivering gentle products powerful enough to serve even the most demanding salon client. This cleanser is brilliant for mornings or as part of a double cleanse night program. It's got a cleanser. Next, we've got a little try me packet. This is the Toyl winner, best organic skincare for women over 40. Jane is passionate about organic oils to create amazing skin. She buys the best oils she can, but also supports local communities. If you want to soothe skin, create glowing skin, feed your skin, then Overnight Recharge Balm is perfect for you. And then the information card that comes with it tells you all about the different products, is it, or what's in it? No, it's not. It's all the ingredients. Oh my word! Avocado, mango, neem, pomegranate, plum, oat kernel, carrot. Oh, there's loads. There is loads. So this is something new. I haven't seen this or heard of it before. It smells of chocolate. It smells of like orange chocolate. Oof. Oh, it does. Oh, you're not going to be able to see anything. That feels so nice. Oh, that feels so, so nice. It has just left a really, really smooth sort of film on my hand. It's not overly greasy. It is when you apply, you can feel it. But that's absorbed beautifully in my hands, and it's really, really nice. And I think this is an added extra because there's no price with this one. Is that? Next, we've got some makeup, and this is Forget Fake Lashes by Code Beautiful. It's a lash primer for enhancing your lashes. So you put this on your lashes first, and then you apply your mascara on top, so it adds like little fibres to thicken them up. Recommended retail price for this mascara is £18. Sarah and Emma Cross are sisters who created and run this incredible brand. Sarah started with the idea to create the ultimate of each product: one mascara, one lip liner, one lipstick, and in just one colour. It sounds crazy, but she really has nailed it. In the box we have Forget Fake Lashes, an instant lash lengthening product. No need for extensions or fake lashes. This product lengthens and enhances all eyelashes effortlessly. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got 2 little freebies. We've got some popcorn and some tea. So firstly, we've got tea bags. This is, superfruit. I like this one. Superfruit bursting with super berries. Great taste 2015. Naturally caffeine free. And 1 biodegradable tea temple. Now I do like fruit teas, and I always go for the fruity ones. I don't like turmeric, I don't like ginger. I prefer like mint and fruity ones like this. So no, I'm chuffed to that. And we got a little, tiny little Joe and Steph's popcorn bag. And Caramel and Belgian chocolate, smooth and rich. That sounds absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? It's only 34 calories per pack. I'm going to save that for after. So those are all the products inside the June Toyl box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Start with the freebies first. We've got some Joe and Steph's popcorn. We've got a Tea Pigs tea bag. We've got a Jane Scrivener overnight recovery balm. We've got a CO reusable wrinkle soothing patches. We've got a Molten Brown fiery pink pepper bath and shower gel. We've got a James Read Click and Glow Gradual tan drops. Oriza Beauty Dewy Glow Balm. We've got a Gatineau milk cleanser. We've got an Ultra Sun SPF 30 face cream. We've got an Emma Hardy Protect and Prime SPF 30 cream. We've got an OPI nail base coat. We've got a Code Beautiful mascara primer. And lastly, we've got 2 brushes by the brand Larousse. A box full of products this month. A lot of the products I have used before, I've tried before, but there's 1 or 2 I haven't. I do think this box is definitely worth £35. There's a lot of products in here, and there's a good mix of products, obviously, because it's their own beauty award box. So they've got products from lots of different categories. So yeah, so there's no like crossovers or anything like that. The most exciting product for me are the patches that I wear on my eyes and around my lips overnight. I can't wait to try them, see what they like. As I've said, I've seen them on social media, so I've been curious to see what they are like. So I'm not sure if they're the same ones I've seen, but I have seen lots of people around my age and older wearing them to bed at night. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Toyl? What do you think of the contents for June? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.